Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening your project and creating the core HTML, a nav with a UL and several Laya elements. This is your menu skeleton. Once done, link styles. CSS so styles apply immediately and give each link a clear label and href, even if it's a placeholder. Make sure to include semantic roles if needed for accessibility. Now save and preview in a browser. You should see plain list items stacked vertically. This is expected, because we haven't styled them yet. You now turn the stack into a bar by resetting list styles and applying display. Flex to the UL. This aligns items horizontally and gives you control over spacing. Once that's set, style the tags with padding, color, and remove text decoration so they read like buttons. Use background color or semi-transparent overlay for visual weight. Make sure to add, hover, and focus states for interactivity, and use justify content to place items left, center, or spaced. This is why Flex is preferred for responsive bars. Finish by making the menu responsive. Add a media query that stacks the menu vertically under a breakpoint, and optionally implement a hamburger button that toggles a class to show or hide links. Once implemented, add area attributes like area expanded and ensure keyboard focus works. This improves accessibility and usability. If the bar won't show, check selector specificity, confirm the CSS file is linked, and use the inspector to find overridden rules. Often a missing closing brace or wrong selector is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.